Hello dear children, welcome back to your maths class. So today we are going to discuss some very important terms. Cost price, the money paid by shopkeepers to buy a good from a manufacturer or wholesaler, is called a cost price of the shopkeeper and is abbreviated by CP. So for example, there is a shopkeeper who buys a set of books from manufacturer or wholesaler, and suppose he is selling it in a specific price, but the cost at which he has buy that book set, it is nothing but its cost price, so which is denoted by CP. Selling price, now the shopkeeper has brought it from manufacturer, now he has to also sell it to us, to the customers. So selling price is a price at which a shopkeeper sells the good. Suppose he has brought the set of books from the manufacturer at 120, so that 120 is its cost price, and if he is selling it at 150, so 150 becomes the selling price. So this is the difference between cost price and selling price. Cost price is the price at which the shopkeeper buys the things, that is its cost price, and selling price is a price at which shopkeeper sells the good. Now, if the SP of an article is greater than CP, then a shopkeeper makes a gain or profit. Now, if I talk to you about one example, if the set of book that shopkeeper has brought is the price, the CP of the book, that is the cost price of the book set, suppose it is 120, and the SP of the book set, that is the selling price of the book set, is 150. So we can clearly make out, children, that he brought at 120 but he is selling at 150, so 30% or 30 rupees profit he is gaining. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the profit. But if the SP of an article is greater than CP, then a shopkeeper makes profit. But if the SP, that is selling price of the goods or the book set, is less than the cost price, many a times, children, you might have seen that in the malls, in the shops, there are discount offers, okay, where the sari which is at 500 rupees, which is its cost price, is now sold at 450. So 50 rupees loss is paid by the shopkeeper. If the selling price of article is less than the cost price, then shopkeeper suffers a loss. Many a times when we talk to shopkeeper, we tell him, please, in other shop they are giving at 450 and you are taking 500. So he says, no sir, I can't give you at this low rate because it will be a loss for me. Right? So in this way, there is a loss. Now how to calculate profit percent? Profit upon CP, cost price, into 100. And how to calculate loss percent? Loss upon CP into 100.